Mystica Blackburn. So for today's video is all about a DIY room decor. And sobrang tinatamad na ako sa plain kong background pag nagvi-video ako. As you can see right here. I know guys na may konting kulay naman sa desk ko, but I want to add more so that I could express my artistic skills. And also, I love to see a lot of colors in my room. Since I was a child, I've always loved to watch DIY videos. And I make them for myself. So, bata pa lang ako guys is mahilig na ako mag-DIY. And guys, the DIY that I will be showing you is very cheap and also affordable. That is actually my main goal sa video na to. So, if you want to see my working area changing to this, into this, then please keep on watching. So this is my desk layout, and the CDs that I will be creating will be in this area, which is the light blue. And the flower paper will be right here in the mirror. The artwork that I will be sticking here in the wall. The mirror painting that I will do in my mirror. And yes, it is the clouds, so that I could feel that I am in heaven kasi hindi ko alam kung sa heaven ba ako babagsak. And here is the pink paint that I will be painting in my desk. And also the DIY grid panels. The first thing that we will be doing is creating this plain CD into this. Materials that we will be using is paintbrush, CD, paint, pencils, and pen. First thing na gagawin nyo is ipipaint nyo ng color white itong CD, then wait for it to dry. 3 times yung gagawin tong process na to para lang matabunan natin yung totoong design ng CD. Ang next yung gagawin is magko-color na kayo ng kulay na background na gusto niyo talaga. Kagaya ng ginawa ko dito, color orange yung gusto kong background. Pagkatapos matuyo guys yung background, ang next yung gagawin is mag-sketch na tayo. Tip ko lang guys, huwag niyong masyadong diinan yung pag-sketch nyo kasi minsan nasisira yung paint. Kailangan sobrang gaan lang talaga guys ng kamay nyo dito. Then after the sketch guys, ang next natin gagawin is kukulayan na natin yung sketch natin. Then, pwedeng 2 times or 3 times na coat ang gawin nyo. Depende guys sa inyo. And the last part guys is lining. Dito nyo talaga makikita yung ganda ng art nyo. And also, you can use pen or pentel pen for this. Or paint, kagaya ng ginawa ako. Brush lang yung ginamit ko. Then after that is, gumamit na rin ako ng pen para lang mas malinis yung pagkakagawa ko. And you can add white paint para lang mag-add ng konting color or detail sa inyong art. Guys, now natapos na yung art, don't worry guys kung hindi kayo marunong mag-drawing. Marami naman kayo guys makikita sa Pinterest or sa Google na mga artworks na madali lang naman siyang gawin. But I highly recommend you guys na magtingin kayo ng mga reference is sa Pinterest kasi sobrang daming nyo guys makikita doon. And guys, i-add ko to sa pag-giveaway ko sa aking 1K giveaway. Malapit na yon, so i-add ko na to. And sana nakikitan kayo dito kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung magugustuhan nyo tong artwork na ginawa ko. But isasama ko siya sa giveaway ko. If you guys are wondering kung ano yung cartoon na ginawa ko, well, character ito sa Has Been Hotel and it is my favorite cartoon. Natutuwa lang talaga ako sa kanila. As in, all of them has different personalities. And also, guys, please don't watch it if you are still 18 pababa kasi it's for adults na. And I'm turning 20 na, so it's perfectly fine for me to watch that kind of stuff. It's cartoons and I love cartoons because I love art so much. And I fell in love with the characters. And the best thing of being an artist is you can draw your favorite characters, especially yung mga crush mo, kagaya nitong mga bebe ko. Okay guys, so the next thing that I did is I paint my desk. Kasi nakikita nyo naman na sobrang pangit na ng desk ko. So the materials that I use is paint and also paintbrush. You can also use tape kung gusto nyo lang malinis yung pagkakagawa nyo. Next guys is we will be painting these clouds. So nakuha ko lang to is sa Pinterest. Marami talaga kayo guys makikita sa Pinterest. So the materials that I use is paint, paintbrush, toothbrush, tissue, and water bottle. Okay guys, so ang una nating gagawin para mag-create ng clouds is to create a guideline. Guys, okay lang na magkamali kayo kasi pwede nyo rin naman burahin yung gamit yung tissue paper kagaya ng ginawa ko for as long as tuyo pa yung paint. And kung tuyo na yung paint, pwede mo pa rin naman siyang burahin gamit ang credit card or kahit anong card kagaya ng ID card. Kukut-kutin mo na lang siya, then after that is makikreate mo na yung guideline na gusto mo. So at first, hindi ko talaga nagustuhan yung guideline ko. Parang natabunan ng paint yung aking mirror. So, gusto ko pa rin is, malaki pa rin yung space ng mirror ko para magamit ko siya ng maayos. Gusto ko lang naman yung painting na i-create ko is for design lang, para lang mag-add ng konting brightness sa aking room. Okay guys, so now natuyo na yung paint. Ang gagawin naman natin is mag-create na tayo ng clouds. Magla-line lang tayo guys ng shape ng clouds. Then after that is fill up na natin. So guys, nung natapos na tayong i-create yung clouds, ang next natin gagawin is maglalagay tayo ng dark tone or dark color dun sa pinakababa ng cloud para lang mas ma-achieve natin yung cloud look. So guys, the next thing that we will do is my favorite part, which is the highlights. Ito talaga yung pinaka-the best or yung pinaka-nagpapaganda sa mga paintings or sa mga artworks.
Then I'll read a book, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few more paintings to my gallery. And then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair. Just wondering when will my life begin?
Ang pinaka-last step guys is magagawa tayo ng stars. Ang materials lang na gagamitin natin dito is paintbrush. Or kung wala naman kayong ganong paintbrush, ang pwede nyo naman gamitin is ang toothbrush na lamang. Yes, toothbrush guys. And next guys is we'll be creating this grid panels. Super duper dali lang nito guys and super duper mura lang as in. The materials that we will be using is barbecue stick, paint, stick glue, paintbrush, and scissors. The first thing that you will do is pagdikitin yung barbecue stick together with glue stick. Next is pagpatong-patungin mo muna yung barbecue stick para lang alam mo kung saan mo ididikit yung barbecue stick. And when you're done, ididikit mo na rin. And lastly, ipipaint mo na siya any kind of color that you want. Ang pinaint ko dito is color black kasi I love color black so much. Next thing that I did is we will be creating this paper flower. The materials that we will be using is colored paper, scissors, glue, and pencils. So guys, I'm probably not gonna explain this kasi pagod na akong pakinggan yung boses ko. And also, alam kong pagod na rin kayo pakinggan yung boses ko. So, I'll just show how I did it right here. If gusto niyo gamitin yung iba kong nagawa, I'll leave the link on the description down below. And go check it out yourself kasi sobrang dami nilang mga styles and ang gaganda rin ng kanilang mga gawa. And the last step na gagawin ko is ididikit ko na lahat ng mga designs na ginawa ko sa aking wall. And also yung mga artworks and designs. So guys, this is a final look and I don't really know what to feel right now. Alam ko guys na sinabi ko na gusto ko mag-add ng konting color sa room ko, but hindi ko talaga in-expect na magiging ganito ka-colorful yung aking working area. Nung una, hindi ko talaga siya masyado nagustuhan kasi parang OA lang yung tingnan. But habang tumagal, nakita na ako sa kanya. And I really love it right now. So, mas parang sinisipagan ako gumawa or magtrabaho dito sa desk ko habang gumagawa ng artworks or nag-edit ng videos. And also, mga school works kasi malapit na ang school. 1 week ko tong pinaghirapan, 1 week kong pinagtrabahuhan to. Ang galing mo, Nika, worth it yan. Huwag mong isipin na pangit yung gawa mo, maganda yan, Nika. So guys, please comment down below kung nagustuhan niyo tong style na to. Kasi nag-chat na rin ako sa mga kaibigan ko kung nagandan ba sila sa working area ko ngayon. And halos lahat naman sila is sinabi ay okay lang. Siguro ako lang talaga yung nagsabi na masyado siyang OA. Pero ngayon, nagugustuhan ko na siya habang tumatagal. Mas na-appreciate ko na siya. And also guys, please subscribe to my channel kasi sobrang lapit ko nang ma-reach yung aking goal, which is 1K subscribers. Please hit that notification bell so you won't miss a video that I am posting every week. I really hope na na-enjoy niyong panoorin to guys as much as I do. And always stay safe guys, and bye-bye!